Sometimes even when I watch back my own videos, I'm like, I don't even know how I shot where I shot because when you sort of are in that panic mode, it's sort of fucked up.
Oh, now you see this one is tight. This one's much tighter.
I'm gonna try to go get those hives with throwing axes for
Okay.
my achievement.
I'll let you lead then.
Hold on. Well,
Nice.
I mean, you can probably
She's got a red
go a different
dress.
direction if you want. Ah, god damn it, I missed. Got one of them.
You gonna get the other one, or you want me to?
Yeah, go ahead and take her down because I'm out of axes.
Wait, you guys. Oh, you guys are going that way.
Yeah, it was just because I was trying.
Picking
Yeah, I
up
have a
your
hard time
axes.
finding my. Yeah, I have a hard time finding my damn axes. I know there's a trait where they can hide them, highlight them, but oh, there it is. Okay.
Hellhounds.
Oh, just picking off hellhounds. All right. I guess are we just gonna go northeast then?
Well, there was one southeast as well, but it's right underneath a
I
giant
think
watchtower, so I don't know if I trust.
this one at your Goddard Docks is pretty close, but there might be.
Oh
Oh
my
well, there you go.
gosh! Holy mackerel!
What'd you happen?
Yeah, it looks like it was right next to a spawn, so somebody must have just
Yeah.
found it immediately. Now there could be people over here that spawned. I hear another hive. Okay, nice. Maybe I can get this one. 6. Oh, good. Holy
Water.
shit. I didn't even know you were already all the way in there.
There's a trait there. I don't know if you guys can pick that up.
Oh, nice.
Oh, there's
Okay.
ammo crap. Ammo right there. That was me. Ooh, gun oil.
Okay, got the clue.
I've got nothing but giant fish.
That is a giant fish. I saw that thing.
I'm out by the
Something to the
ships.
east. 90.
Eastbound and down.
Okay.
Are you fighting zombies?
Yeah, I just had one below me. Below, not below.
Oink.
Just had a zombie below me.
Ah,
You guys wouldn't understand.
it's a new millennia. Anything goes. Birds.
Kids today. Well, hello.
Hello. How's your long rifle? There's
Long and
birds
rifle.
right there to your right.
I have beast face. They can't hear me.
Oh,
It's not true at all, but I wish it was.
I'm just ugly. That was me.
Oh, I've got another challenge. I just need one more trait pickup, and I'll be good on that one too. Oh, here's your artist painting over here.
Yeah, that's weird, isn't it?
His painting glows. It's quite a skill.
It's the radium.
Are you
Oh,
feeling like there's anybody in there, Fats?
I was just trying to decide where to go. It looks like they picked up both bounties, but
See that?
it's likely they might come towards us because they don't have one over on their side. They don't have an extraction.
All right. Yeah, they really don't, do they? That's sort of the bone.
oh. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Oh, birds.
Birds.
Is there a big fire in there, I hear?
There's a big fire right here.
Yeah, that's what I was hearing.
Ah,
Yeah, you can't hide from me. I want whatever you got.
oh. I got nothing. Oh. Barrel of bugs.
Barrel of bugs.
Sounds like an Irish jig. Alright.
It was fun yesterday, Tim. I actually used the traits to revive Fats through a wall once,
Neat.
so I didn't have to expose myself. And then I also used the trait to get the clue from outside a wall, which was super nice because it was one of those fortresses that I didn't feel like going all the way inside of.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I never get that thing to work.
Actually, it would have been great if somebody was camping in there. Oh, there's a poster over here for XP. Oh, it's just got 1,000 XP from it.
Wow.
I can make up for when I die.
I seem to be back outside. Oh, shit.
So it looks like we have some stuff southeast.
Noisy. Paella.
Yep, we do.
Nice.
Whoa, okay. There's hellhounds to the east, but they're like appearing and disappearing out of my clipping plane.
That's what makes them hellish.
They have some interesting new packs in the update. Of course, I didn't understand 90% of it, but one of them I think lets you see creatures and stuff with dark sight.
Oh, nice. The clue is up ahead, and there's an immolator
That was
close
me.
to it.
And there's birds right there.
I actually brought my dusters today so I could try to take them down.
I'm gonna go for the clue.
I'm gonna shoot Jason in the ass.